All right, so the fire's ready. So your goal is to push it to one side or the other so that there's room to cook the pizzas. And they actually touch the wall over there.
Yeah.
So you can shove them right up against the back wall.
Correct.
Or the corner of the thing.
And there's this thing.
Okay, so that more or less contains the fire.
Contains the fire, yep. Yeah, this is copper. And this copper goes to contain the fire in that corner.
Okay, and then you have one more to do the other side. So if you made a fire too big, you wouldn't have room to cook the pizza. Alright, so you've got the big one in the middle, and then the two other sides. Okay.
My next thing is I take the metal peel.
So the wooden peel that we have right here with the actual pizza dough on it is just to slip the pizza in and out, but you manipulate it inside the fire with that metal peel.
Metal peel, yep.
All right, so you're wrapping a rag
Around the metal peel.
and it's wet.
And it's wet.
So what would happen if you didn't clean it off? Would it just get all black on the bottom of the pizza?
There might be some ash.
Okay. So how hot is it in there now?
700 degrees.
You said that you could bake bread in the morning after if you cover it all up. Is that
Yes.
true? You could put like a loaf of bread inside?
You could.
Because by morning, if you covered it, the opening would be somewhere around 300 degrees.
Uh-huh. Okay.
We've cooked flatbread in here too, like naan. But do you do that at this temperature, or do you do it at a lower temperature?
Naan I cook at a lower temp, but it doesn't really need to be.
All right, so you're gonna slide it in and then keep it in for like 30 seconds and then rotate it?
Correct. 60 seconds rotate. But first I have to, all the air bubbles formed by the rising pizza I have to poke with the knife.
So I probably put too much yeast in my dough, huh?
I don't know. I'm not too optimistic.
All right, so you obviously pull it out before you pop it. Wow, look at that one. So do you wait till it's a little golden or just brown on the bottom, or how do you know when it's done?
Golden, I would say.
So you can see it's cooked more on this side where it was near the fire.
Mm-hmm.
That looks great. Okay, and then you put it back on the peel and we go put some stuff on it.